Hey guys, welcome to your channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to use ADP Workforce Now Performance Management. So here, I'm just going to use the self-guide demo. Okay, so you just have to open any of your web browser and then you just have to search for ADP Workforce. Okay, so just use the search bar at the top and then I just have to type out ADP Workforce and be able to see the website. So here, just have to click on the process. After that, click on this performance dashboard. So for the performance dashboard, creating a new performance review is simple and can be done with a few clicks. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on the review forms from your dashboard. Okay, and then click on this add new form. And practitioners have access to a library of ready-to-use review templates to get started. Okay, next is to click on this annual review. That's right, and click on the form name. Okay, so you have this form name right here, so you just have to give this form a name. And then for the rating scale, so you just have to add a rating scale. So templates include various options for employer rating criteria during the review process. That's right. Okay, so here clicked on the goal rating. So just wait for a couple of seconds, and for the unrated questions, check this box. So templates are easily customizable, and each review can include a different set of questions and key performance indicators for employees to complete. Next is to click on this required option right here. So practitioners can also integrate existing performance goals and key competencies as part of the review setup. So for the comments for each competency, so we are going to select required. That's right. Okay, next one is to save our edit. So click on the save option at the bottom right. Next one is to click on this annual review goal rating. So once a review has been created, it will be added to the templates library and easily accessible for practitioners to assign to employees. Okay, so now let's proceed to the next workflow. So here we have annual evaluation September 29, 2021. So click on this plus icon. So from the performance dashboard, you have access to all your performance review programs in one place and can easily monitor the review. Okay, next is to click on this option right here. So the timeline provides a high-level overview of team performance, including progress, percentage completed, and days remaining in the review cycle. Okay, so here you just have to click on this one. Okay, and then click on the view form. So managers also leave access to each employee's performance review and further details. That's right. Here, click on this goals option, and we have the goal one right here. So simply click on it. And employee responses and self-ratings are easily accessible in addition to feedback from assigned contributors. And for this one, click on this option. And for the question one, click on it. And employee response. Next, we have the competency one, so click on it, and here click on this option and click on this meets job requirements. And for the overall comments, the final comments for the review can be added in the additional to attaching any supporting documentation if required. Okay, and here click on this sometimes exceeds and click on add attachments right here. You can select an attachment to upload. Next is the summary. Okay, so after that, click on the actions option at the top right and click on the download form option. So once a review has been completed, it's easy for managers to schedule their one-on-one meetings with the employees. So just confirm action and click on yes. So incomplete or warning messages will be made available to ensure confidence and completion before submitting performance reviews. So just click on close after that. Okay, next is to click on this option right here in the action. So the review can also be released to employees, or they can log in and provide digital confirmation of the review completion process. Okay, next is click on this revise review to employee, and that's it. If this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.